Good afternoon. Now I am going to calculate the packing efficiency in simple cubic structure. Simple cubic structure means here atoms are present only at the corners of the cube so that the particles touch each other along the edge. So here I place only two atoms. These two atoms are present on the corner and the particles touch each other along the edge. Okay. Now I give the name of the unit cell, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. As it is simple cubic unit cell, so number of atoms per unit cell, that is equal to 1. Okay. Edge length of the unit cell is A. So volume of the unit cell will be A cube. Radius of the sphere, that is R. So volume of each sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Now from this picture we can easily see the edge length, that is the distance between A and H, that is A, and within this A there are two radius of the atoms are also possible. So I can write A is equal to 2R. So simply we get a relation between A and R. Now we have to do nothing. You directly put the value of A in this formula, that is packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is here only one atom is present per unit cell. So I write volume of one sphere only by total volume of the unit cell into 100. So volume of each sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Total volume is A cube into 100. Now I put the value of A, that is equal to 2R. So I get 4 by 3 pi r cube by 2R whole cube into 100. From there we get the value, that is 52.4%. So packing efficiency in simple cubic structure, that is 52.4%, and here the relation between edge length and radius of the sphere, that is A is equal to 2R. Now we can easily calculate the void space, that is equal to 100 minus 52.4%. So we will get the value of void space, that is 47.6%. Okay. Next I am going to calculate the density of the, how can we calculate the density of the unit cell? So here we calculate the density of the unit cell. Density of the unit cell. How can we calculate? For that purpose we need a unit cell. Suppose I consider edge length of the unit cell is A. Now density you can express by D or by rho also. So density is D. Molar mass, that is M. Molar mass means within this mass Avogadro number of atoms are present. So I write molar mass is M, and number of atoms per unit cell already, it is to be denoted by Z. So I write number of atoms per unit cell is Z. Mass of each atom, that is equal to small m. Okay, as molar mass is capital M, so I consider mass of each atom is small m. Now total number of atoms present in unit cell is Z and mass of each atom is m. So what will be the total mass of the unit cell? So I write mass is equal to m into Z. Okay. Now, how can you calculate density? Density is equal to mass of unit cell by volume of unit cell. Mass of unit cell, that is Z into M. Already here we have calculated. Now edge length of the unit cell is A and unit cell is cubic in nature. So what will be the value of volume of the unit cell? As unit cell is a cube, so volume will be A cube. So here I write A cube. Now what we have to do? Here this mass of each atom is to be converted into molar mass. How can we calculate? We know molar mass, within this molar mass how many atoms are there? Avogadro number of atom, and Avogadro number of atom is denoted by Na. So Na number of atoms has mass, atoms have mass, that is capital M. So what will be the mass of each atom? So I write mass of each atom means one atom, it will be capital M by Na. Now this is M, small m, that is mass of each atom. So in place of small m we can write capital M by Avogadro number. So we will get Z into capital M by Avogadro number and A cube. So what will be the formula of density? D is equal to Zm by A cube Na. Okay, it is very important. So by this way we can calculate the density of the unit cell, and formula is D is equal to Zm by A cube Na. Z means number of atom per unit cell. So for BCC you can write Z is equal to 2, for FCC we can write Z is equal to 4, for simple cube we can write Z is equal to 1. So that is the value of Z. Okay, M means molar mass. M means molar mass, and what is A cube? A cube is the volume of the unit cell. If we know the value of edge length, so easily we can calculate A cube, and Na, that is Avogadro number, its value is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So by this way we can calculate the density of the unit cell. Okay, thank you.